to my FOF booth slash installation. I just wanted to share with you, because the question has been so far, why all black and white? With the fact that my work is just so colorful usually, you know, and it was really a takeoff from the scrolls, you know. This was 36-foot long continuous drawing of an installation I did at the Beach Museum in Brazil in January. And when I got my work back, I just thought I would love to show it here, and FOF came along, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to explore further, you know, the black and white works. So everything I created, including this whole new line of handmade tiles, and they're one of a kind. So each tile actually is the only one in the world, because I don't repeat the designs. And so one thing led to another, and I end up with this composition of just black and white work.
If they're real popular, I'll make more tonight.